Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to change who can add a group in a community to only admins in WhatsApp. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the phone icon with a green and white background. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download WhatsApp. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. In the chat section, you'll notice a small option on the left side with a stacked multiple profiles icon. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. Now, tap on the community you're currently in. This will take you to the community's main page. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu until you reach Community Settings. Tap on it to access the settings for the community. Step 7. Within the community settings, locate and tap on Who can add groups. Step 8. From the available options, select Only Community Admins. This will restrict group creation privileges to only the community admins. Congratulations! You have successfully changed the settings to allow only community admins to create groups in WhatsApp. This ensures better control and management within the community. If you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to reach out to the community admins for further assistance. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy your WhatsApp experience.